but I wanted to start off with this. This is a storyboard visual from a video you have coming up. Just take me through, when did you first see this visual? How do you guys put this together before you decide to approve an idea?
If someone doesn't click your video, they're not going to watch it. So it seems silly to, for us, invest months and millions of dollars filming a video if we don't even know what the thumbnail and title is going to be. So the fundamentals for us is, we have a full-time sketch artist, is like, before I even put an idea on the calendar, we sketch out what the thumbnail will be like. This helps make sure what I'm envisioning isn't just dumb,
So I think not everybody has illustrators or storyboard artists. I was talking to your team. You have 12 people on your thumbnail.
We used to draw it with like stick figures, you know what I mean? Just to make sure the framing's good.
Speaking of stick figures, here's another visual I got. Take me through what's going on here. It seems like there's a reference image from the Apple TV show Severance, and there's a stick figure drawing.
One of my thumbnail guys, Chucky, watched Severance, and one of the opening shots is that image in the top middle. He's like, we should do this for a thumbnail. And I was like, what does that even mean? And he sent me that Snapchat with a circle and a human. And I was even more confused, the image in the top right. And I was like, Chucky, I don't know, maybe you're drinking alcohol, even though he doesn't. And somehow that led to this thumbnail we ended up doing here in the bottom right, which actually worked pretty well. And it was kind of nice because usually my thumbnails have my face and the left side. And I've been looking for ways to not have every thumbnail be the exact same. That was a good breakaway that people seem to like. You can draw inspiration from anywhere. It's not like we got that from a different YouTube thumbnail. Like he was literally just watching Severance,